Looking for the best pickleball racket to level up your game? Ping pong. Our top picks combine power, control, and comfort to help you play with confidence, whether you're a beginner or a competitive player. From lightweight designs to high-performance materials, these paddles are built to deliver precision, durability, and winning shots on every court. Starting at number 1. Pickleball Paddles. The MTEN Pickleball Paddles Set is a USAP-approved, high-quality option designed for men and women of all skill levels. Featuring a durable fiberglass surface paired with a polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles deliver excellent power, control, and reduced vibration for a smooth and stable playing experience. The lightweight yet strong construction, 7.78 to 7.8 ounces, and wide paddle face provide a larger sweet spot, making them ideal for beginners, intermediate, and advanced players alike. An ergonomic, sweat-absorbing cushion grip with a 4.57-inch circumference ensures comfort, secure handling, and enhanced wrist motion for added spin and power. This complete set includes 2 paddles, for outdoor pickleballs, 2 grip tapes, and a convenient carry bag, perfect for practice, casual play, or competitive matches. Number 2. Graphite Pickleball Paddles Set. The Olani Graphite Pickleball Paddles Set offers unbeatable value with a complete package designed for fun, performance, and convenience. Featuring a premium graphite fiber face and a durable polymer honeycomb core, these paddles deliver excellent strength, control, and long-lasting performance while remaining lightweight for smooth, fatigue-free swings. The set includes 4 high-quality paddles, pickleballs, replacement soft grips, and a carrying bag, making it perfect for multiplayer games with friends or family. Each paddle is equipped with a perforated, sweat-absorbent, cushion grip for a secure and comfortable hold during extended play. Ideal for beginners and intermediate players, this all-in-one pickleball set is a great choice for casual play, group activities, schools, clubs, or anyone looking to get started in this fast-growing sport. Number 3. USA Pickleball Approved. The CZRR Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance, USA Pickleball Approved paddle built for novice, intermediate, and professional players who demand precision and power. Featuring an advanced 3K raw carbon fiber surface with carbon abrasion surface (CAS) technology, it increases friction and dwell time on the ball for maximum spin, control, and shot accuracy. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core reduces vibration while delivering exceptional stability and control, making difficult shots easier and more consistent. Designed for competitive play, this carbon fiber paddle offers outstanding durability, strength, and balance, with a weight range of 8.0 to 8.5 ounces for aggressive yet controlled gameplay. The extended 5.5-inch ergonomic grip, made with soft, sweat-wicking artificial leather, provides a secure, anti-slip hold and excellent wrist mobility for enhanced rotation and comfort during long matches. Number 4. GARYE Pickleball Paddles Set. The GARYE Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 is a USAP-approved, premium carbon fiber pickleball set designed for men and women of all skill levels. Built with high-quality carbon fiber faces and a thick 0.69-inch polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles offer an excellent balance of power, control, and durability while remaining lightweight at approximately 7.7 to 8.1 ounces. The ergonomic, cushioned, and perforated 4.25-inch grip provides a secure, sweat-absorbing, anti-slip hold for comfort during intense rallies, while the carbon fiber surface enhances spin and shot precision. Featuring a large sweet spot and a durable edge guard for added protection, this set is ideal for beginners, intermediate, and advanced players alike. The complete package includes 2 paddles, 6 pickleballs, 2 grip tapes, and a convenient carry bag, making it a perfect choice for practice, competition, or gifting. Number 5. Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. The Asboser Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 is a USAP-approved, high-value pickleball set designed for both recreational and competitive players. Built with a premium fiberglass surface and a polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles deliver excellent power, control, and reduced vibration for a smooth and consistent playing experience. Weighing just 7.8 ounces, the lightweight and wide paddle design offers a larger sweet spot, quicker reactions at the net, and improved shot accuracy, while edge guard protection enhances durability. The perforated, sweat-absorbing, cushioned grip ensures comfort and full control during long matches. This super value set includes 2 paddles, for pickleballs, 2 cooling towels, and a durable carry bag, making it an ideal choice for beginners, advanced players, and a perfect gift for men and women who love pickleball.